guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So I was in the kitchen cooking and I decided, oh, I should show you guys what I'm cooking for dinner today. So we're making chicken, sausage, and shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. So what I've done already is cut up my chicken tenderloin breast into cubes. And I seasoned them with salt, pepper, and a little bit of Tony Chachere's. And then I also have over here some sausage, which I think this is the Eddie's brand that I have in here, browning those as well. Now the reason I'm doing them in the same pot together is because the chicken will soak up all of the oil from the sausage and give it a nice flavor. So I'm just kind of shaking the sausage up there so they can get tossed around. And then I'll just toss around my chicken. And I have this on like medium-low heat. Excuse me, like medium heat, not medium-low, like medium heat. So I don't want to cook it too fast, so to where it sticks or the chicken is tough. So yeah, I just got that going. And then in the pot over here, I have my water getting ready to boil so that I can put my fettuccine noodles in there. Alrighty guys, so this is dinner. I'll be back in a few minutes once this chicken is ready, and then I'll show you all the next step, because this is literally like if you count in the prep time to cut up your chicken and cut up your sausage, that's probably 10 minutes. So this whole entire meal is about 30-minute meal from start to finish, and it's a delicious dinner. So I'll be back in a few minutes. So you want to stir the chicken and sausage periodically to make sure that they don't stick to the bottom of your pan. So that's what I'm doing here. And now we'll add in my pasta. And because we're having family over, I'm going to cook 2 packs of pasta. So that's really a lot. But if you're just making this for your family and you're not having, like, I think we have probably 10 people over, 8 people over, then you don't have to use 2 packs of pasta. But again, we're just stirring around the sausage and the chicken. It smells so delicious in here. Did you guys just smell that? This is so good, guys. It smells so good. This is a quick and easy meal to make for your family. Especially, like I said, I'm feeding a large group tonight, so it goes a long way, but it's also, good for family night anytime, so you can have leftovers the next day, however. So now I have my green beans going in the back, my sausage is simmering, my pasta is ready, so I'm going to drain the pasta off, and like I said, the green beans are back there simmering away as well. So now my pasta is drained, and I've started pouring in my Alfredo sauce, and I did not drain the meat. I left the oil from the sausage on there. You guys could drain that off if you wanted to, if you wanted to make it a little bit more healthier, but we're going for full flavor here since we're having guests over. And so yeah, we just stir it all in. That was the 3rd can of Alfredo sauce, or actually jar of Alfredo sauce that I'm stirring in there. So just mix it in well. Now I decided that I wanted more sauce since we have so much pasta, and so I'm doing the shrimp and the sauce separate. So that's another jar of Alfredo sauce with the frozen shrimp, and I just seasoned it just like I did the chicken. So I'm gonna let this, come to a boil, and then I'll mix it in with the other pasta. I'm seasoning with a little bit of salt and pepper and Tony Chachere's seasoning salt. And stir it all, mix it well together. Now while that sauce is simmering, I'm going to go ahead and put our bread in the oven so it can start warming up. So I have these garlic knots. Oh my goodness, guys, those are so delicious. They are so yummy. And then I also have garlic toast. So garlic cheesy toast for the kids, and then the garlic knots for, well, the kids too, anyone who wants it. So we just have a variety of both for everyone. And that's the Texas toast that I'm using from Kroger's. So my sauce is just about ready with the shrimp in it. So I'm just stirring it all around here just to ensure that all the shrimp, they're all cooked. So we're just stirring it up there. And I've added all of the pasta. I did mix it with the sauce earlier into that large pot, and I decided that it would be easier to serve to everyone in a casserole dish like this. So I'm pouring that sauce with the shrimp on top of the pasta with the chicken and the sausage that I had already mixed together in a large pot into this dish, and then I'm going to spoon on the shrimp on top and mix it all together so it'll all be incorporated really well. And this actually makes for easier serving, so that everyone can just kind of serve themselves. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. And as you can see, I'm just stirring it in well. And the extra sauce from the shrimp also helps to coat the noodles a little bit more, because in my opinion, they were a little bit dry. So I want it to be very saucy, for everyone. Now for the remaining sauce with shrimp, I'm going to pour it into the pot where I have extra. So once everyone serves themselves from the casserole dish, if anyone wants seconds, then they can get seconds from this large pot. Or I may actually put it out, and refresh the casserole dish. But so I'm just going to stir that in and incorporate it well so that it will be ready just in case anyone wants extra. And if not, then later I will put that in a Tupperware in the refrigerator for dinner tomorrow. So now we'll just stir this in well, also mixing it together so that everything is incorporated nicely. So now I think everything is incorporated well and it's ready to serve if anyone likes extras. And here is our plating. So everything looks delicious, and guys, I have to say it tastes delicious as well. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you'll go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much, and you all know I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.